Is your Sharp dishwasher draining properly after a wash cycle? If your answer is no, a clogged drain filter could be the cause. In this video, we will be showing you the steps to clean the drain filters on your Sharp stainless steel dishwasher. The filter system in your Sharp dishwasher consists of 3 mesh filters that separate soiled water and clean water into different chambers to help the dishwasher run well, using less water and energy. All 3 filters can be removed and cleaned to maximize wash performance. First, we will focus on cleaning the cylinder filter. The cylinder filter is designed to collect some big items such as broken glass, bones, and pits. The cylinder filter needs to be cleaned to maximize wash performance. Please note that the heating element should be allowed to cool before cleaning the interior of your Sharp dishwasher. Failure to do so could result in burns. To access the cylinder filter, first open the front door of your Sharp dishwasher. After opening, remove the lower rack by fully extending it out and pulling upwards off the rail guides. This will expose the cylinder filter. Once the lower rack is removed, locate the cylinder filter. Rotate the filter counterclockwise to unlock and lift up to remove it. Once the filter is removed, empty and clean it by holding it under running water. Now, we will focus on the cleaning process for the fine filter. The fine filter is designed to further filter water by collecting smaller food particles. Now that the cylinder filter is removed, remove the fine filter from the cavity in the dishwasher tub bottom by releasing it from the 2 tabs holding it in place. Please note that the bottom spray arm may need to be rotated to allow the fine filter to be removed. Once the fine filter is removed, clean it by holding it under running water until all particles are removed. Lastly, remove the fine mesh filter located beneath the fine filter and cylinder filter. Remove the fine mesh filter by pulling it out of the dishwasher tub bottom. Clean it by placing it under running water. After cleaning, replace the fine mesh filter into the dishwasher tub bottom. Then, place the fine filter into the dishwasher tub bottom, making sure to insert it correctly into the 2 tabs. After this, replace the cylinder filter by placing it in its cavity. Once the cylinder filter is in place, lock it into its proper position by inserting and rotating clockwise. Please note that the bottom spray arm may need to be rotated to allow the filters to be replaced. Once the filters are placed, reinstall the bottom rack, ensuring that the wheels align properly with the rail guide. Please note that the bottom rack will need to be inserted fully for the dishwasher door to close properly. You have now safely and effectively cleaned your Sharp dishwasher drain filters.